Hi, this is Christine. It is October 13, 2014. It's in the morning/afternoon. Wanted to share something about unhitching the train. Pretend you are the train. Okay, you're a steam engine, like in that Polar Express movie, black steam engine, maybe running on coal or whatever. Just imagine yourself as like a big black steam engine or whatever color you want to be. You're strong and powerful, and you've got cars behind you. They're hitched onto your steam engine. Could be a car full of coal right behind you, and there could be whatever cars you can think of that might be attached to you, to your train, your engine. The more cars you have, the harder it's going to be to get up a mountainside, and it's going to slow you down. The less cars you have attached to you, the faster you're going to be able to go, because you're just an engine running by itself. You're not pulling any cars behind you, so you can fly over the tracks, so to speak. Those cars behind you are everything that you're carrying that's a burden to you. If you've got things from your past, hurts, wounds, bad memories, scratches in your record of things in your life that you keep repeating and you can't seem to get over it or move on because it's holding you down. It literally is holding you down because it's a car attached to the back of your engine. What I'm going to ask you to do is to search yourself. If you have to, get pen and paper and make a list. Just ask the Lord to reveal to you what cars in your life, what burdens, what thoughts. It could be the doctrines too, beliefs, thought processes, anything like that, any bad memories, any unforgiveness, any hurts, any resentments, whatever you feel is holding you down, holding you back, keeping you from moving forward at a quick pace, because we're talking about quickening of the spirit here. And maybe the train is the spirit, you're the train though. Okay, you've got the power. You're the one who decides if you're gonna ride on the track, or if you're gonna choose to sit idly by in the train yard and just let yourself rest. God wants you out on the track. But if you've got 20 cars attached to you, it's going to slow you down. So I'm going to ask you to make a list, do some brain searching, right? Like soul searching and brainstorming. And just sit there with pen and paper and ask the Lord to reveal to you all the cars that are attached to your train engine. And when you have them, I want you to imagine you're the engineer. I want you to get out of your train engine, stop the train engine and get out of it, walk to the back of your train engine and unhitch those cars. Just unhitch the first car from your train engine. And you know how at first the cars might start rolling backwards a little bit downhill, and your train engine will stay put because you have the brakes on. Just let it go. The cars will start moving away from your train engine, little at a time. Just let it roll away. Let it go down the hill and end up wherever the Lord wants to take it. If He puts it over a cliff, like He did with the guy, the demoniac guy, where He let the demons go into the swine and then the swine ran off the cliff. If the Lord wants to let those cars roll backwards on the track and eventually just go over a cliff, then let it go. Free yourself of the burdens, the cars that have attached themselves to you over the years through pains, sufferings, heartbreaks, whatever it is that you've gone through. Detach your engine, yourself, from those cars and don't pull them with you anymore. Don't take them to heaven with you. Let them go and get back in your train and go forward. Don't look back. Look forward. Go up the mountain of Zion, because you're heaven bound and you're a train now without baggage, without luggage, because you've asked the Lord to set you free of your hurts and your pains and whatever else, wounds and injuries you've had, emotionally, physically, whatever it is. You're set free. The cars are disconnected from you. They're gone. They've rolled down the track. They're gone. They're not even in sight anymore. Now you, as your own single engine, steam engine, train engine, go forward. Okay? Go forward. Go faster. And you're going to fly up that hill, that mountain, up Mount Zion, and you're going to make it to the top. Believe in yourself and think of Thomas the train from when we were little children. Remember when he was going up the mountainside, and people would tell him, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. So think and believe and know that you can make it up the hill. And you're going to make it up there a lot faster and a lot easier if you're not pulling 20 cars or more behind you of past things in your life that have been weighing you down. And literally they've probably been carloads of like coal or rocks or something like that, but they've been heavy and you've been pulling them, and you don't need to do it. So let it go. In your mind, disconnect the cars from your train engine. Let the cars go. Let them roll backwards. And you, as the train engine, move forward into new life. Okay? Hope that helps somebody. I needed it today, so I figured I'd share it because maybe somebody else needed it too. Thanks, God. Thanks, guys. God bless and take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.